So we're going to talk about malolactic fermentation today. Malolactic fermentation is found in pretty much all red wines, and it's found also in some white wines. Okay, it takes place in the fermentation process of the wine. Basically, if you think of it as you have on one hand you have a Granny Smith apple, on the other hand you have butter, you have cream, you have cheese. Okay, so what this process does, it takes that tartness. Think of a Granny Smith apple, takes that tartness of a Granny Smith apple, transfers it into the creamy butteriness of butter, cream, cheese, and it gives it a smooth, really creaminess to the wine. Alright, so that's malolactic fermentation. Now, it makes wines more approachable, it makes them less abrasive. So we're going to take two examples of that. These are clear-cut examples right here. And as we taste these wines later, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So think about this when you're tasting these two wines later. Okay, we have our Monkey Bay, which has no malolactic fermentation whatsoever. Okay, it's going to have a real tartness, a real acidity, a real crisp, clean flavor to it. Whereas you get to the Kendall Jackson Chardonnay, it's full. This is one of our biggest whites that we have with malolactic fermentation. It's got lots of butter on it. It's got very smooth. It's creamy. It's a big white wine. So you'll see what the difference is with this malolactic fermentation. Changes basically a tart wine into a very smooth, creamy wine.